Hello again, everybody. John here from Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Now located on Center Road in Avon. Today we have a 2019 Ram 1500 that was coated with our Fireball Dock Dew coating. This is our flagship coating. This is a 10-year, two-part self-healing coating. The vehicle itself got a full decon, clay, strip wash, iron remover, bug remover, tar remover. Any kind of remover you can think of. And especially on white vehicles, they are very notorious for picking up rust dots, which is what you need iron remover for, to chemically remove those ferrous metal particles. So when you go to clay it, you don't scratch or mar the finish anymore. I apologize if I'm a little winded. I think I'm getting a cold. My kids are sick, and it's going around. Unfortunately, it's that time of year. And I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but this thing is just absolutely glassy. And it's hard to get white to pop. And this thing is definitely snow white and really pops. This is a fully warranted and guaranteed 10-year coating. If you have any questions about ceramic coatings, anything at all, or questions about window film, which coincidentally we did all the film in this truck a couple weeks ago. We did 5% on the front doors, 35% on the windshield, and then 50% on the factory stained rears, to give it a limoed out look. If you have any questions about coatings or paint correction or window film, please reach out to us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You could call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing, now located on Center Road in Avon behind Safe Light Auto Glass, with a second location opening in Bay Village. We will catch you in the next video.